So we got this Thunderbird washed up, and I don't know if you can notice, but they ran their brakes too low, so you got these little chunks of rust embedded in the entire thing. So I think I'm gonna have to color sand it because I tried buffing and it does not come out. Color sand the whole thing and then polish it back up. I started color sanding with 1500 and you can see all the rust in the water. It's all coming off, so I'm gonna go over the whole thing with that. It's the importance of not letting your brakes wear down till it's metal on metal. Watch all this rust come off. That is a lot of rust embedded in the paint. Alright, got it all washed, dried, sanded. You can see it's pretty dull now. Everything's dull, but there's no rust spots on it anymore. So we're gonna start buffing it up now. Alright, so I just hit that headlight, part of the hood, first medium cut cleaner. Start off with that, go over the whole thing, and get the sanding marks out first. See the difference between that headlight and that one. That one I did sand, so the yellow came out of it, but it's still dull. That one I hit with a buffer. Made it over it with the medium cut cleaner. I'm gonna start with the fine cut cleaner now, second step, and then go to a swirl remover. So we're going over it with the final machine glaze, and I think it's coming out pretty darn good. Got Warren buffing it off for me. Headlights cleaned up quite a bit.